My name is Amit Shenoy. I represent a firm, Active Property Solution.
Hi, my name is Hitesh Nagrecha.
My name is Amit Chaurasya. I'm working for HomeBazaar.com.
It is one of the finest projects in the heart of the Thane city.
In Pokhran Road number 2, Vadhva Courtyard is a very premium product with in fact it is the only product which is absolutely ready with all amenities.
The main thing I like about the project now is client can see what is buying.
Amenities in Vadhva Courtyard is very good because there are multiple indoor and outdoor games which is very attractive.
Client can see what actually is buying, what is purchasing, what is getting.
The kind of the clubhouse which they have provided, it's a 24,000 square feet lavish clubhouse at the heart of this city. The kind of the color, the choice of the ambience which they have done is really good. It becomes much easier for we as channel partners to sell a project when we ourselves are clear what the project speaks about. And in terms of sales people also, what I've seen is they have never cut corners in terms of explaining the project to the clients. The kind of the time they spend with individual client which I've got on the site is really something which amazes me.
Sales team is really helpful. They have been very transparent. I think I started working for Vadhva Courtyard for now past 3 years, and all the sales staff are really helpful.
Sales team, be it the sourcing or the sales manager, are very cooperative. So once the client walks in here, he's registered with us, then it's completely headache. You can say headache, or you can see the follow-up will be completely by the sales manager or the sourcing manager here.
The reason we work with such reputed developers, especially Vadhva, Narang Realty, is that they are the one who walk their talk. Once you do the work over here and the promised deadline is there for your payment, I haven't seen a situation where I have to run pillar to post to get my payment.
I have never follow up for payments. It is always that they have called me directly for the payouts.
It is very easy and cooperative with Narang to do the business. We don't have to follow up for the bills we have submitted, the bookings what we have done, and that's actually taken care by Vadhva itself.
First reaction, the vibrations of the complex is really positive, and almost all the clients feel that when they enter inside the front gate.
When I get client here, they actually appreciate me for the location what I have bought them, the developer where I have bring them.
The general feedback which I have seen along with the clients is that they are going out of the premises with a wow feeling. Now there is not even a single factor which Courtyard is actually not taken care about while taking consideration about the customer's need.